Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, Happy New Year to all of you. This is my first video in 2018 and today I'm going to do a brief review, some kind of first impression on this Chanel boy that I promised on my unboxing video. I will link the video down below that I will do some kind of review after I received the original box. This boy was bought in Chanel Rue Cambon Paris, so the box supposed to be white and this is the box. It came around 3 weeks or so after I got the bag. The story is on my unboxing video, so if you're interested, please check it out. And now the box is here and it's white. I bought it through a personal shopper, so this is the dust bag. It's black dust bag because the boy is not considered a classic line, so we got the black dust bag. And I already showed this on my unboxing. This is the receipt and the authenticity card. This one is in 25 series and this one is the booklet and buffing cloth. I keep it in the original box so it's easy to organize and find them when I need them. So that's about the box. And now the bag. I received this bag around November 2017, so since then I use it quite a lot and I really like it because this one is in caviar leather, so it's more carefree, and I like the combination of black and the antique gold hardware. This gold is not too shiny or too dull, so it's just perfect for this boy. And this one is in old medium size, so from here to here around 10 inches, and this around, wait, I forgot, around 3 inches, and the height from here to the bottom here is around 5 inches. So the size is quite comparable to the medium boy. The medium to large classic flap, but this one is better because this is a single flap, so we got more room for our stuff, and the fact that the strap is longer, the drop is around 22 inches single, so we can use it crossbody. I'm not too tall, around 5'2", 5'3", and I use it as crossbody all the time, but you can also use it as shoulder bag and it looks nice too. So it has no back pocket. I love it that this bag is structured and sturdy. Oh, one more thing, we cannot adjust the strap. Maybe we can, but I don't want to force it, you know. I don't know if anybody can too, anybody else. Maybe if you can adjust it, you can leave your comment down below. And the one con that I noticed all this time, that this button here, because my hair is quite long and I use it crossbody, my hair often tangle in these two buttons here, so it's quite annoying, but okay, I can live with that. And I heard that many people don't like that this strap sliding like this, sliding around, but it does sometimes, but I don't think it's bother me just yet. I only have this bag for like 1 or 2 months, so I cannot bother enough to include that on my review. That's just my personal preference, my personal opinion. And so this bag open like so. I'm using this bag at this time, and this is still has the plastic seal that I will leave it like that until it came off itself. So it's single flap and I like it. And this part here is leather, all leather, except the interior lining is fabric, which bother a lot of people too, but I'm okay with that. And this is how I pack my bag on my daily basis lately. So it's my phone. It's Samsung Note 8. It's quite a big phone, 6.3 inch. Always on the slip pocket here on the back side. It's all this bag only have one slip pocket. That one is in the back side here. And my envelope, I keep extra cash and my receipt here because I don't want them to floating around my bag. And my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This one is Christmas edition. It's limited from 2017. This is my blotting paper from Shiseido, and my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This one is in pillow top. My Chanel lip balm. My usual Chanel compact, Le Beige compact. That's all in my mini pochette. I don't bring too much these days. So my wet tissue, Louis Vuitton key clay that I use for my coins and extra cards. Louis Vuitton 6 key holder, and my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. So this wallet is not my favorite because I cannot bring as much cards as I wish and as much bills as I want, because then the wallet will become this form. I will show you, I will leave the link on my video why I didn't like this wallet as much down below on the description box if you're interested. So that's all I have in here. I cannot put my sunnies in here even though it's in soft case if I bring all that stuff with me, but I will show you some alternative that you can with this bag. So just for the heads up, the Louis Vuitton agenda cannot fit in here, cannot close it. And if you have iPad mini, this one is not iPad mini, it's Samsung, but the size is exactly like iPad mini. It cannot fit either. As you can see, you cannot close it when they are in, so that's a no. And some alternative, if you want to bring your Louis Vuitton makeup pouch, this one is in PM size. It fits in here. It's full with my stuff just for the video, so you can have a vision of what can fit inside this boy. So it fits, and you can add some a card holder. You can add, of course, we will always have to bring our phone. I always put it inside the slip pocket here on the back. And keys, you can bring keys too. So that's all, I'm sorry. If you bring the makeup pouch, and other alternative, if you bring your full size wallet, it fits in here. Full size wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton, and you can bring your makeup too. A mini pochette which fits your keys and coin purse. Let's try with the sunnies in soft case. So it fits with the sunnies in here. And if you have the CP compact wallet, this one is not a full size but not a compact like small wallet either. Just to give you the idea, it fits. Keys of course, and coin purse, and what else? Okay, this cannot fit if the compact wallet is in there, so you can bring the compact and lipstick only. So looks like so, and it closes nicely. Okay, so if you want to bring other small wallets like Chanel CP coin purse, Chanel mini case, maybe a card holder, and keys. Of course, we have to bring our keys, at least me, and a lipstick will be fine. Yeah. So, do I love this bag? Yes, I do. Do I recommend this? Yes, if you're thinking of buying this one and you hesitate maybe because it's not classic or something like that, I think it's worth it. Okay, it's still expensive, but it's worth it. It goes with almost all my outfit and it looks casual. Also, it can look a bit glamour in my opinion. So I really like this bag so far, and I think it's worth the money. In my opinion, it's Chanel. It's still expensive, but it's worth it for me. So yes, I love this bag, and my first impression is yes to the boy. Okay guys, that's all I want to share with you today, and hope this helps for some if you consider the boy. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.